Sound decibels.
We let you guys hear it before. 2019 5.0, 6-speed. Got factory converters. We'll let you guys hear it with the factory resonator that's over there. This is what it looks like after. Factory muffler, a catalytic converter there. Then we added an X pipe and did a resonator delete right there. Then this one's got the active exhaust on it. There and there with the stock mufflers. The active exhaust is up there. So the flange opens and closes, as you guys can see inside of there. That's what active exhaust is. For people that don't know what it is, see it in there? It opens up and makes it a straight pipe. And when it's closed, it makes it quiet. So it goes through the muffler. So we'll let you guys hear it. Oh, I like his license plate. Power. Power! There it is. There's the resonator we cut off. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. I think the valves are open on it. It's not bad. It's perfect. Again? 113. That's not bad. Let's see when you open the valves. Yeah. He's got to put it in track mode for us. Got a nice idle to it too. Is it in track now?
Yeah.
All right. 113 before track. It's the factory. So go ahead. Again. I like. Still 113. Oh, 160 when he raised it up a little bit. All right. Go ahead and back it out. Yeah, 160. Tennessee.
Dude, I sure hope not.
That sounds so good. Let you guys hear on that. I think he likes it. So you guys can see the reel of the, the active exhaust. Oh wow, look how quiet it got. It's a completely different car. Wow, again, one more. Now put it in track mode. It's quiet mode. This is track mode. Yeah, night and day. 2019 Mustang 5.0 with mid resonator delete and X pipe added, and it's got active exhaust, and he's got it in track mode right now. Power! Power! He's gonna show you guys that power. Yeah! Beautiful. Enjoy, guys. We got a 2018 Lexus IS 300 F Sport 2.0 Turbo. This is what it sounds like before. Purrs like a kitten. Can't even hear her run. Look at that, so quiet. Nothing. Wow. Here's sound decibels. right at 84. One more. So what we're gonna do on it, we're gonna do a muffler delete and resonator delete. We'll let you guys hear it after. It's 2018 Lexus IS 300 F Sport 2.0 Turbo. What we got done on it. As you guys can see, there's two converters up there. They're side by side up there somewhere. There's two that come on this car. Then it wides out into dual resonators there. Then we cut out and then it's got a X pipe on it right there, a flat one, as you guys can see. And we cut it from there and ran 2 1/4 because 2-inch comes in. We ran 2 1/4, it looks better and it'll sound better. Out the back on each side, there and there, into some quad carbon fiber tips, there and there, as you guys can see. There's the factory resonators that were on it in the middle. There's a factory 2-inch pipe, I couldn't believe that. And then factory mufflers and over-engineered tips, as you guys can see, like a lot went into the tips. There it is. That's what it looked like before. That's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. Right there, like that. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's perfect. That sounds really nice. F Sport IS 300. Again? Your sound decibels? Again? One more? It hit right at 103 earlier. That's perfect. Remember? Yeah. That's so deep. That sounds so good. Yeah. Go ahead and back it up. And that's everything we cut off right there, guys. It's still got a set of resonators on it, the small ones. Look at them carbon fiber tips. They look so good out the side. Look at that. That's sexy. He's gonna get a wing and mirrors. They're all gonna be carbon fiber. So it'll complete the look beautifully. With the gunmetal gray, it's really nice. Floor it like SpongeBob.
Okay, now, what do you do next?
Floor it?
Yes. No, no, don't floor it.
Floor it?
No, 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 don't floor it.
Okay, floor it!
No.
Oh, SpongeBob, why?
Yeah, sounds good.
2018 Jeep Wrangler V6. We got done on it is true dual. Factory converters there and there. Cut it there. Right back. Some FLOWMASTER OUTLAWS. I'll get the part number here in a second. Some black.
Damn it!
Tips. Looks clean. Part number on the Outlaws. 815425S. A whole lot louder. Oh yeah. So
13 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Really nice car. Got factory converters there, there. Then secondaries there. Then it winds into a single. Got factory resonator there. He watched our video. He said, I want the same thing done. Then what we did is cut that muffler right there off and wide it out on each side, there and there. And put some quad blue flame tips there and there. As you guys can see, it came out really beautiful, really clean. Look at that, sexy. There's the muffler that we cut off and tips right there. That's what it looks like after. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. You guys want to be on camera? You like it? Yeah. Oh, wow. That sounds really nice. Here's sound decibels on it, guys. 112. Go ahead and back it out. Oh, I love the look. It looks so good. That's just clean. Go ahead. Yeah. Genesis Coupe. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. They came all the way from Camden, Tennessee. We really appreciate them coming out. It's a nice idle on it. Yeah, but enjoy, guys.